The Cash Flow Manager is included in your income shifting membership. To get the Cash Flow Manager, log into your Myecon back office. In your back office, you will see several buttons. The Cash Flow Manager is part of your monthly income shifting membership. So let's click on the Income Shifting Membership button. Inside the Income Shifting Membership, you will see an icon labeled Cash Flow Manager. Click the Cash Flow Manager icon. Once inside of the Cash Flow Manager, you will be presented with a blank Cash Flow Manager list. Create a new Cash Flow Manager by clicking the Create New Cash Flow Manager button. You have the option of selecting Business or Home as the Cash Flow Manager type. If you want to create a home budget and track your home expenses, you can select Home. For tracking your business expenses, you will select Business. Don't worry, if you want to create a home budget, you can. The Cash Flow Manager allows you to create as many accounts as you wish under one login. For this training, we will select Business. Next, we will give our Cash Flow Manager a file name. In this example, we will call it Cash Flow Manager Demo. Click Save File. Once you have saved the file, you'll be taken to the Cash Flow Manager dashboard. Let's start off by entering a business expense. Click the Enter New Business Expense icon. Your first cost that we will enter is your expense for enrolling into the business. In the drop-down menu bar, select Cash Flow Manager Monthly Fee. Enter the date you incurred this expense. We will leave it at today. The amount is how much you paid to enroll into Myecon. Enter $34.95. In the Who box, this is who you paid the $34.95 to. Enter Myecon in this box. In the What box, enter Income Shifting Membership. In the Where box, enter the address where the payment went to. In this case, we will enter the Myecon business address. In the Notes field, type in a brief description. In this case, we will enter Business Startup Cost. Below is the section where you upload receipt images. There are several ways you can do this. You can scan your receipts and upload them to your computer and import them into the Cash Flow Manager. Or you can take a picture of your receipt and upload the picture directly to the Cash Flow Manager. Your receipt for joining was emailed to you. You may print your email receipts as a PDF and upload them into your Cash Flow Manager as PDF. Let's upload and attach the receipt to our entry. Click Choose File. If you are using your mobile phone, this button would say Upload Receipt Image. Find the image of your receipt and select it. If you are using your mobile phone, it would ask you to choose image from unassigned receipt folder or choose image from your device. If you choose your device, it would ask permission to access your camera, and you would be allowed to take a picture of the receipt with your camera. In this example, we select a PDF file of our receipt. Now you have the option to enter mileage if you incurred any mileage with this expense. Because we attended a home party, we're going to log in mileage. You can track mileage on 3 different vehicles. The mileage was for vehicle 1. We're going to enter the odometer beginning mileage and ending mileage. Once we have done that, we will enter the total amount of business miles for this trip. Below mileage is recurrence. If the expense you are incurring happens on a scheduled basis, you can enter the expense once and have it update and automatically appear each time the expense occurs. This is great for items like your monthly membership fee, your cell phone bill, your internet bill, and other items that happen on a recurrence. Since you are billed $34.95 per month, we will set this up for recurrence. Where it states also repeat this transaction, hit the drop down and select monthly. Then, next to the next recurring entry on, we will set this as 1 month from today. The entry we are making is for today, but the recurrence entry is for 30 days from now. Click Save Entry. Once you click Save Entry, you will be presented with your expense log. The expense log will show your entry for the selected dates. If you do not see your expense, check the date ranges to make sure they are within the time frame for the expenses you are seeking. The tool will keep track and tally up the total expenses and mileage you have for the date range period. Let's click Dashboard. Click Enter New Expense again. If there is not a category for an expense you wish to track, you can create that category. On the far right side, click the Custom Expense Type button. Click Create New. Type Educational Expenses in the Type box. Click Save. Educational Expenses has been added. If you ever need to edit the name, you can always click the pencil and pad icon to edit or the red X to delete. Click Dashboard. Click Enter New Expense. In the drop-down menu, you should now see Educational Expenses as a category. Scroll to the bottom and click Dashboard. Click on Enter New Income. This is where you would track your earnings. Select Commissions from the drop-down. We will keep today's date. Enter the amount of your commissions. Let's say that's $10. Who paid you those commissions? Enter Myecon. What was paid? Enter commissions. Where? Enter your home address or business address. In the notes section, you can enter Myecon commission for sponsoring Jane Doe. Receipt image. If you want to take a picture of your check, you can, but since Myecon does direct deposit, you can leave this area blank. We're not going to list this as a recurrence. Click Save Entry. Once you click Save Entry, you will be presented with your income log. The income log will show your entry for the selected dates. If you do not see your income, check the date ranges to make sure that they are within the time frame for the income you are seeking. The tool will keep track and tally up the total income you have for the date period range. Let's take a quick look at reports. You have the ability to print or download a CVS copy of your business transactions. First, make sure you have the date ranges selected that you wish to view. In the top right-hand section of the page, you will see 3 types of reports. Printable view. This shows all of the transactions listed. Mileage log. Mileage logs will provide you with the mileage log report. And profit and loss year to date. This shows your profit and loss for your business. We will click on each report just to get a glance at what they look like. Scroll to the bottom and click on Dashboard button. Click the Preferences button. Here you can select your preference on how items appear on your cash flow manager when you open the app. Finally, if you click on the Help link in the menu bar, it will take you to a page with a listing of items such as frequently asked questions, cash flow manager instructions, and 2 videos on how to install the cash flow manager on either the iPhone or Android phone. Refer to the Help link and Cash Flow Manager instructions for any questions not answered via this video.